Welcome to this video. Please, you have not subscribed that channel. If you want to know more about flashing phone, check the link on description. So here what we are going to see is how to remove your iPhone from recovery mode. As you can see it by right hand side, it's on recovery or DFU mode. So I have to remove it from this. I've tried button and the button is not working. So iTunes is saying that I should update or restore, but I don't want to update or restore. So I want to remove the DFU mode or the recovery mode from iPhone without update or restore. I've done some videos on 3U2. So what I'm going to use now is 3U2. I open 3U2s and click on exit recovery mode. Exit recovery mode. Good, as you can see, I've removed the phone from recovery mode or DFU mode. Let's wait for the phone to boot, and your phone will be normal again. So depending on the problem, it's just as easy as that. If your phone doesn't work, you can try other option. See, your phone has booted. So please subscribe that channel. If you have any question, use the comment section. If you want to know more about how to flash phone, please check the link for my course, and you'll be happy you join us.